Welcome to the world of crochet. Today I'll guide you to master the techniques of chain stitch, slip stitch, single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and treble crochet stitch all at once. I am going to make a slip knot and begin with the chain stitch, which is the most basic stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, then pull out the loop, and one chain stitch is done. The chain stitch is often used as the starting stitch, and subsequent stitches are carried out based on it. Next is the slip stitch. The slip stitch is mainly used for joining. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn and pull out 2 loops at once. One slip stitch is completed. The single crochet stitch is like this. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn and pull it out. There are 2 loops on the hook now, then wrap the yarn and pass through these 2 loops at once. The single crochet stitches are closely arranged, making them suitable for creating the tight parts of the fabric. For the half double crochet stitch, wrap the yarn once first, insert the hook into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn and pull it out. There are 3 loops on the hook now, then wrap the yarn and pass through these 3 loops at once. You can see that the half double crochet stitches are a bit taller than the single crochet stitches, and the fabric will have a greater sense of hierarchy. The double crochet stitch, wrap the yarn once first, insert the hook into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn and pull it out. There are 3 loops on the hook now, then pass through 2 loops each time with the yarn in 2 steps. The fabric made with double crochet stitches is looser, and it is suitable for making scarves, shawls, and so on. The treble crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook twice. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn and pull it out. There are 4 loops on the hook now. Pass through 2 loops each time with the yarn in 3 steps. The treble crochet stitch is the longest, which can make the fabric more 3-dimensional and endow it with unique textures. In summary, the chain stitch is the foundation, the slip stitch is for joining. The single crochet stitch is tight, the half double crochet stitch is a bit taller, the double crochet stitch is even taller, and the treble crochet stitch is the tallest. In terms of the way of wrapping the yarn, only half double, double and treble crochet stitches need pre-wrapping of yarn for inserting the hook. Treble crochet specifically needs the yarn wrapped twice. In terms of the steps of wrapping the yarn, single crochet passes 2 loops on hook at once. The half double crochet stitch passes through 3 loops on the hook at once. Double and treble crochet pass 2 loops each time but differ in steps. Slip stitch inserts hook and pulls out 2 loops at once. Practice these techniques more, and I believe you will become more and more proficient. If you like these videos, then make sure you give them a thumbs up. Share them with your friends so that they can learn to crochet too. And don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the community. Happy crocheting!